Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a delicious adventure as we explore the rich and sweet world of Ethiopian bread. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some unknown facts about this culinary delight. Introduction to Ethiopian sweetbread. Ethiopian sweetbread, known as dabo, holds a special place in Ethiopian cuisine. It's not just a bread, it's a cultural experience that has been passed down through generations. Today, we'll not only learn how to make this delightful bread but also uncover some fascinating facts about its history. Before we dive into the kitchen, let's take a quick journey through time. Ethiopian sweetbread has its roots deeply embedded in the country's rich history and diverse culture. Unique ingredients. Now, let's talk about the unique ingredients that give Ethiopian sweetbread its distinct flavor. From teff flour, which is a staple in Ethiopian cuisine, to a blend of spices that add an aromatic touch, this bread is a harmonious fusion of tradition and taste. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Unknown facts about Ethiopian sweetbread. Did you know that teff, the main ingredient, is not only gluten-free but also rich in nutrients? It's a small grain with a big impact on health. The art of making Ethiopian sweetbread. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and start making this delicious bread. As we knead the dough and let it rise, we can appreciate the artistry involved in crafting this sweet masterpiece. Ethiopian sweetbread comes in various shapes and sizes, each with its own regional twist. From the classic round loaves to creatively braided designs, the bread reflects the diversity of Ethiopian culinary traditions. In modern times, some variations even include ingredients like honey, adding an extra layer of sweetness. Sharing the culinary experience. The best part about Ethiopian sweetbread is sharing it with loved ones. So, whether you're enjoying it with family or friends, the experience goes beyond the delicious taste. Let's delve deeper into the star ingredient of Ethiopian sweetbread, teff. Did you know that teff is not only gluten-free but is also incredibly high in calcium, iron, and protein? It's no wonder it's considered a nutritional powerhouse, making Ethiopian sweetbread not just a treat for your taste buds but also a boost for your health. The ritual of breaking bread. In Ethiopia, the act of breaking bread is a revered ritual. When families come together, the eldest member of the group typically tears off pieces of the sweet bread and distributes them to everyone present. It's a symbolic gesture of sharing not only food but also the bond of togetherness. Ethiopia's diverse regions contribute to the unique variations of sweet bread you find across the country. Each region adds its own special touch, whether it's the addition of regional spices, different shapes, or even the type of sweetener used. It's a testament to the cultural richness that defines Ethiopian cuisine. Sweet bread in Ethiopian holidays. Ethiopian sweetbread plays a starring role in holiday celebrations. During festive occasions such as Timkit, Epiphany, and Meskel, Finding of the True Cross, families come together to prepare and share this special bread. Let's travel back in time. Did you know that teff is one of the oldest grains on Earth? It has been cultivated in Ethiopia for over 3,000 years. This ancient grain not only adds a unique flavor to Ethiopian sweetbread but also connects us to a culinary tradition that has withstood the test of time. The magic behind the airy and fluffy texture of Ethiopian sweetbread lies in the process of fermentation. The dough undergoes a slow fermentation, allowing the flavors to develop and giving the bread its distinctive taste. Blessing the bread. In Ethiopian culture, it's common for the baker to utter a blessing or a prayer while preparing the dough. This tradition adds a spiritual dimension to the process, emphasizing the sacred connection between the bread, the baker, and the community it serves. It's a celebration of flavors that reflects the diversity of Ethiopian culinary experiences. Baking Ethiopian sweetbread involves unique techniques. It's a centuries-old method that imparts a distinct character to the bread. Ethiopian sweetbread isn't limited to one specific recipe. During holidays, you might find special versions of the bread with added spices, dried fruits, or nuts. This adaptability showcases the creativity embedded in Ethiopian culinary traditions. While Ethiopian sweetbread has deep cultural roots, its influence is spreading globally. As people around the world discover the unique flavors and nutritional benefits of teff, they are incorporating Ethiopian sweetbread into their own culinary repertoire, creating a delicious bridge between cultures. As we wrap up our exploration of Ethiopian sweetbread, I hope these unknown facts have added a layer of appreciation for this culinary gem. The next time you enjoy a piece of this sweet delight, remember the rich history, cultural significance, and the nutritional benefits it brings. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy cooking and exploring the world of flavors.